Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jay. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Today I will be changing the exhaust on my 2014 5.0. I'm going with the Roush AxleBack exhaust and I'm getting a resonator delete. And right now I will give you a clip of the stock exhaust. Well, there's the originals.
Do not seek the treasure. Something on the wall. Ooh.
Good morning, YouTube. Here she is. Let's get the first cold start with it since I got the exhaust done. Let's see how she sounds.